Hello, welcome everybody to Work and Energy, the lab for this week. What we're mainly going to be doing is rolling carts down a ramp and timing them. I know it's super exciting. Our main goal is to verify that work is equal to the change in kinetic energy. And to do that, we're going to make a few measurements. So the first thing we want to do, obviously, is find the change in kinetic energy. And we know the cart starts at rest on the right and will be going some speed on the left. And so we know initial kinetic energy is 0. And with time and distance, we'll be able to calculate a final speed and calculate a final kinetic energy. The other thing we're going to calculate is the work done. And as you hopefully remember from class, work is equal to force times the distance times the cosine of the angle between them. And so in our case, the component of gravity along the ramp is in the direction of motion, which should lead you to figure out the angle pretty simply. But there's going to be another angle introduced, the angle of the ramp, which is going to tell you the component of gravity along the ramp. And so you'll have to set up a free body diagram and solve your forces to figure out what the size of the component of gravity along the ramp is. And to do that, you're going to need to know the angle of the ramp. And so we can make the assumption that the feet of the ramp are parallel to the ramp itself. And so if we just measure the height of the 3 wooden blocks you can see on the right, and then the distance between the feet, we'll be able to set up a triangle to give us the angle of the ramp. And so we'll use that angle to find a component of gravity, and we will use that component of gravity as our force in the work equation. And so our goal is to show that the kinetic energy found, the change in kinetic energy of the cart found is equal to the work done by gravity. And so that's kind of our main goal. Our side goal is to go over how mass of the cart affects the final speed. And so we're going to run the final angle with a heavy cart and a light cart, and we're going to calculate final speeds for both of them, and we're going to figure out how mass does or does not affect the final speed of the cart. Other than that, I hope you enjoy these videos, and you will, good luck doing the rest of the lab.